Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how to connect Binance to MetaTrader 5. So guys, first step you need to do, go to log your terminal to MQL5 community, as you can see here, and go to market and go to utilities. Click here and search for Binance Trade and select this option, and you should be installed. And if you already purchased, as you can see here, and then go to file data folder and open navigate window and go to MQL5 expert market, as you can see here, and restart the terminal and find Binance Trade Manager to navigate, drag to chart and occupied by another expert advisor. Guys, this is how you can do. And before clicking OK, guys, go to input and tap set value of all to all parameters and all synchronizations with Binance and refresh interval. This is how you can do, guys. I hope this video helpful for you. See you another video soon.